Okay, I finally have my hands on the viral Faces Canada High Coverage Concealer, and today we're gonna see if it's actually worth the hype. Okay, so मेरा camera इधर है, so I'll be seeing here. Okay. I'm so excited. I don't think it's my shade. Oh God, no. It was expensive. It's not my shade though. It's not my shade though. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so it actually gave me a really nice full coverage just with like मैंने बहुत ही कम use किया था, and it actually concealed all my dark areas and my pimple spots. So I think it's actually worth the hype. Okay, I really love this product. It actually मेरे को लगा था कि मेरे shade का नहीं है and it will be dark on my skin tone, but it actually gave me really good full coverage and it concealed all my dark areas and I love it. So if you want to purchase this product, the link is in the description box. Go and buy it. My face is glowing right now, and I would highly suggest you to actually buy this product because it's actually worth the hype. Okay, I'm gonna cry now. Bye.